Shem Jingeh, and I live in Umulang, and my village is from Setsama. I used to be a dancer, but once like there's Independence Day, and all the school will come, and I like some of my friends said, "Why don't you dance?" Because I said, "Oh, it's my dream, my dance, so I'll become famous like other actors." So it's like Independence Day, there was a prize. So when I was about to go home, and my teacher told me that I did get the prize, I was so proud. Oh my god, I get the first A! And I tell my mom, oh mom, I get it first. Can I please go like some competition? And my mom knew about it, so we went. And we always get the first. But we fail, but we always try, then I succeed. And I wish I grow up and I'll be an actress because that's my dream job. Also, job like old people to be kindness and help each other, but not to be rude. But I'm so happy that people keep supporting me to be a dancer and force me to be a dancer. I'm so proud to be myself. And thank you for everyone, except my mom. She also support me everything I wanted. And no matter how she didn't get also, but she always get everything but normally, right? And I'm so happy for all my families, friends, and for supporting me to be a dancer. But one day I promised my friends to be with them forever. Except my mom, of course, because she's the one, right? Who's taking care of me, all of my like sick and everything right I need. I'm so thankful for God also who gave me this talent, and may God bless you, all of you. Thank you. I'm gonna tell you something, one more thing from me. You see, when I was young, when I was 7, I already told that story. I used to work hard to dance, and that money I get is how to pay for my parents' illness, and they all take care of me for letting me go wherever I want. And I'm so thankful for everything since my parents already pay everything I want, and I got to do as I dream of one. And I always dream big, and that's all I say. Thank you.